Okay, so here we are in like literally my craft area has gotten into a disastrous pit. As you can tell, we are going to rearrange it. I have moved stuff around. I have my bonus son here helping me, which I'm really excited for because he is an awesome worker. And hopefully by the time he leaves, we will get most of this area cleaned and moved. I want part of it moved. I want part of it cleaned. So yeah, I will slowly keep you guys on the progress. I'm not going to film it while we're working, but I will keep you guys in the loop of how this goes. So yeah, very big mess. Wave hi, Christian. It's like everywhere. And my daughter's coming from college, so I have to get it taken care of so she has her room back. Okay, so here is how much work we have gotten done. Now, the table's a mess, yes, but we are rearranging some stuff. So we got this all cleared and moved. That is not in the place where it's going to be. We have all of this taken care of. Our next step is to clear out all of this. I want everything underneath, under all that, all cleared out to make it easier to get it into my daughter's room sometime this summer. And then, depending on how I feel, we're going to attack this and move all of this stuff where I want it. But it's a lot of work and my energy level is only so much. But considering I really don't have anything tomorrow, I can just sleep. And we have, so if your room is a disaster and you have a hard time finding stuff like me, I have been searching for this for months. And I finally found it. This is what you get when you decide to actually move stuff around. It goes onto the sewing machine. So it's going to make it so much easier when I'm doing projects. And these little cats are everywhere, huh, Christian? Mm-hmm. They're all in our space. They're going, what's going on? So all of my stuff, fabulous Christian has left spots open. So we have a walkway. A lot of this is going to get going through the next couple of days and either go to ARC, trash, or organized. I am feeling very claustrophobic and I needed to rearrange. So that's how we are so far. We have made a lot of progress, but we have a lot more to go because all the stuff that was in that nook is right here. Can you believe all of that? I had a lot of crud. Oh, I think a lot is going to get donated, but this is more open, less claustrophobic. I'm going to attempt to move this over here on this wall. We're going to put this over here sideways, and we're going to move that into the corner, I believe. This boy's earning his money. My bonus son is doing fabulous. So glad he can help me. So this is what we've got so far. Okay, I got this container out to put stuff from here in there. Luke, that's not yours. Are you comfy? I think I lost my container. I think I lost my container, Christian. Yeah, me too. Now you're going to take a nap in my box? That's not a napping box, Luke. Okay, so we still have quite a bit. Hopefully I'm not making you guys dizzy. There's still quite a bit. But I am loving the progress. My energy level is slowly going downhill. As you can tell, we moved quite a bit of stuff around. Right now I'm having him put all the stuff back over here so I can just weed through it at my own time and my own pace without it being in my family's way. And this is what this little area looks like. I want to get some more regular of those, but I just don't have the funds right now to do that, so I'm doing this. So yeah, that is about where we are. I am going to end this video here. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you guys know you matter. Bye.